Many new features have been introduced in Adobe Dreamweaver CC, like a new layout of CSS designer panel, which is very advanced and very handy. And also in the insert, jQuery mobile and jQuery UI has been introduced, and a lot of more features. But there are some features which have been removed from Adobe Dreamweaver CC. Like in the insert panel, there was a supply widget and we have no longer access to that feature. And also one of my favorite feature has been removed from Adobe Dreamweaver, and that was Adobe Widget. What was that? Actually, we could download and insert the widget in our web page, and that feature was in the insert menu. But now we can't access that feature. And now I want to insert a gallery widget in our portfolio web page, and I want to insert that just below our graphic design text. And we could download the gallery widget from the Adobe Widget, but we have no access to that feature. I'm going to show you some other methods to insert the widget in your web page, and one of these is through Adobe Extension Manager CC. And now let me show you that how can you use that option to insert the widget in your web page. So I'm gonna minimize my Dreamweaver window and then go to your start menu, and then in the applications, here is what you need. You need Adobe Extension Manager CC, and you can download this from Adobe website for free. So once you have installed it, then open it. And when you open this, then you will be able to see this window. And in this window, take a look at this section. Here you can see some applications which are installed in PC and downloaded from Adobe site. And you can see that it is showing only those applications which were provided by Adobe Creative Cloud or CC. And what you can do with Adobe Extension Manager is that you can download some extensions from Adobe site, and you can install these extensions into Adobe Dreamweaver CC. And not only for the Adobe Dreamweaver, Adobe Extension also provides extensions for Photoshop and other applications of Adobe. So let me show you that how can you install an extension into your Adobe Dreamweaver. So go to the file, and in the file you have to select the install extension, and then this box will pop up, and then you would have to select the extension which you want to install. And Adobe extension file format is .zxp, as you can see here in the file type. But where is that file? Actually, you need to download that extension from Adobe extension site. Let me show you. Go to the file and then select get more extensions. And then it will take you to the Adobe extension website, from where you can download the extensions not only for the Adobe Dreamweaver but also for the other applications of Adobe. And then from this website you have to select the add-ons website. So select that, and then it will take you to the add-ons website. So here we are in Adobe add-ons website. And here you can see that there are different add-ons which you can download and install in your Adobe application. And you can see that every add-on is showing that this add-on or extension will work only with this specific Adobe application. And take a look at the left side of this website. Here you can filter the extensions by application. So I'm going to select the Dreamweaver. And now you will be able to see the extensions which will work only for the Dreamweaver. And you can see that some extensions are paid and some are free. And actually I'm looking for the gallery widget or the gallery extension for the Adobe Dreamweaver. So I'm gonna search here for the gallery and then hit enter. It will show me the gallery widgets for the Adobe Dreamweaver. And you can see that it found 25 items. Some are paid and some are free. Let's click on the free. And then you can see that it found only 3 items for the gallery. Let's open one of these. And then here at the right side you can see that its compatibility. It can work for the Windows and also for the Mac. And here you can see the description of this extension, and you can also see the screenshots or previews of this extension. Okay, so now let's download this extension, and for this you have to click on the free. And when you click on the free, then you'd have to sign in with your Adobe ID. And I am gonna sign in with my Adobe ID. So enter your email and password and click on sign in. And now you can see that this extension has been acquired or has been added into my add-ons. And here you can see the download link of this extension. So click on the download using extension manager. And now you are on the download page of this extension. Let's come down, and here you can see that it is also showing that how you can install it. And it has also the download link of Adobe Extension Manager. So to download this extension, click on the download. And this download window will pop up. And look at here, the file size is 19 MB and it is in the .zxp file. And this is the file type which we need to install the extension through Adobe Extension Manager. Download this. And once you have downloaded that file, just go to the file and then select extension. And then you'd have to select that extension which you have downloaded. So this was the method of adding the extension into your Adobe Dreamweaver CC. And once you have installed that extension into your Dreamweaver, then you can use that extension whenever you want. And that extension is added in the Dreamweaver menu. Actually, I did not download that extension because I don't like these extensions. Adobe Extension is not providing you the best and the stylish extensions for free. But there is another method of adding the widget into your web page, and I'm going to show you that. And this method is external. Actually, we will search on the Google for the specific widget, and then we will download that widget and insert into our web page. And for this, go to your browser. Actually, I need to download the gallery widget for our portfolio page. And I found a great gallery widget in the Adobe widgets when I was using Adobe Dreamweaver CS6. And that was Clearbox Lightbox Gallery. And I'm going to download that widget. So for this, search on the Google for the Clearbox Lightbox 3. Actually 3 is its version. Then you will be able to see different links to download this widget. I'm going to open the first one. So here it is. I'm going to show you how this gallery widget works. So for this, I'm going to click on one of these example images. So click on one image. I just love this transition. Okay, so now let's download this gallery widget. And you can find the download link here at the top of this website. So just click on the download. And you can see that this website has used this gallery widget to open the download page. So here is the download link. So click on this and then just download it. And the downloaded file is a zip file, and this file is containing some JavaScripts and some HTML code. I'm gonna close this. And this website will also explain that how can you insert this widget into your web page. Once you have downloaded that clearbox.zip file, then you need to extract that file using WinRAR. And then you will be able to see these two files. The first one is the JavaScript file, and the second one is the folder which is containing 3 subfolders. And actually you need to prepare this widget to insert it into your web page. And I have already prepared and provided you this gallery widget into the assets folder, and that is in the Clearbox Lightbox gallery. So if I open this, then you will be able to see these files. And I'm gonna insert this widget in the next video. So these were the methods of downloading the widgets. The first one was through Adobe Extension Manager. But the drawback is that Adobe is not providing you the best widgets or extensions for free. So through the second method, you can download any widget from the internet and you can insert that widget into your web page. So now let's move on to the next video, and we are gonna insert this Clearbox Lightbox gallery widget into our portfolio web page.